Good morning. My name is Tim Henderson, and I'm assigned as the District Chief of Special Operations with the Nashville Fire Department. I'm here today on behalf of the Mayor of Nashville, the Honorable Carl Dean, and the Director Chief of the Nashville Fire Department, Chief Stephen Halford, to express our gratitude and appreciation for your organization's willingness to give of yourself and of your resources to help the City of Nashville, Davidson County during the May flood. First and foremost, I would like to take the opportunity to extend a grateful thank you to your County Mayor, Ernest Burgess, and to Director Mike Nunley, Supervisor Chris Clark, for allowing and supporting your response. All too often, people are taken for granted. That's not going to happen today. There are several ways that you could have been addressed. You could have been sent an email, you could have been mailed a letter, or maybe even a phone call. You deserve and are entitled to much more than a simple thanks. We believe that an act of this magnitude and your response should have a face to go along with a deserving thank you. It humbles and it honors me to have the opportunity to stand before you today and say thank you for an outstanding job. I want each of you to understand that we, the City of Nashville, the citizens of Nashville, the Nashville Fire Department, and the elected officials are truly indebted to you for your acts of bravery, kindness, and service. Each of you performed above and beyond expectations. Your professionalism, determination to successfully complete your assigned missions were exemplary. There is not any doubt that through your actions, many lives were saved and numerous injuries were avoided. I personally was unaware that your team had already been to Cheatham County earlier in the day. And by the way, Ashland City is my hometown, and I still reside there as of today. So not only do I want to thank you on behalf of Nashville, but I must also say thank you from a personal perspective as well. After assisting Ashland City, Pingree, and other residents in the Cheatham County area, you responded to Nashville, arriving on scene at roughly 8:30 p.m., and you evacuated some 24 people from the Metro Transit Authority within about 45 minutes. Your expertise was again requested to respond to the Pennington Bend area of Madison Old Hickory, where you evacuated another 50-plus residents. I know that you did. I know what you did and how you performed, not because I have your unit logged, but because I was one of the voices on the other end of your radio. Myself and others within our command staff were responsible for requesting deployment of resources from Metro Southeast, our initial staging area. Therefore, it gives me great honor to present to each of you a certificate on behalf of the Metropolitan Governor of Nashville-Davidson County, Office of the Mayor, a certificate of recognition. It is hereby presented to the following members of the Rutherford County Special Operations SORT Team as an acknowledgement of unwavering dedication and service to the City of Nashville and to the citizens of Davidson County in the midst and aftermath of the May 2010 flood. Given under my hand this 24th day of August 2010, Honorable Mayor Carl Dean. The following members please step forward. Tommy Brown. Thank you. Derb Hollis. Thank you, sir. Debbie Hope. Thank you, ma'am. Jim White. Thank you. Mitchell Wittenberg. Thank you, Mitchell. Kevin Wiseman. Thank you, sir. Chris Clark. Thank you, Chris. And on behalf of the City of Nashville, we'd also like to recognize the Rutherford County Special Operations Team as a whole. Thank you again, sir. This concludes our presentation.